Today we're making the viral TikTok wraps with our own healthy and delicious twist.
Let us know if you have made these wraps before.
First off, we have the taco wrap.
Second, we have the Starbucks turkey bacon egg and cheese wrap.
Third is the pizza wrap with cheese, turkey pepperoni, marinara, olives, and mushrooms.
Feel free to add siete chips in any of these wraps for an extra crunch.
However, make sure to add it afterwards so it doesn't become soggy. First off, for the taco wrap, which is one of our favorites, grab your siete tortilla, add the tomatoes, organic Mexican cheese, siete seasoned beef or lamb. We're going to fold it and place it on the grill. After removing from the heat, you can add the lettuce and sour cream on top. Always make sure to use organic cheese. Organic cheese is made from grass-fed cows, which are healthier than grain-fed cows.
Now for the Starbucks turkey bacon. Grab your siete tortilla, add organic turkey bacon, pasture-raised egg whites, organic mixed cheese, and for the last lot, add mayonnaise or some more organic mixed cheese. Optional, add siete chips for a crunch after removing from the heat.
It's important to use pasture-raised eggs. This means the hens aren't crammed in a cage or a barn, and they are allowed to roam freely, allowing them to get the proper exercise they need, and the food does not contain GMO.
Lastly, everyone's favorite, the pizza wrap. Get creative with the toppings. Grab your siete tortilla, add organic marinara sauce or ketchup, organic mixed cheese, organic turkey pepperoni, lastly, your choice of topping.
Turkey pepperoni is significantly healthier than pork pepperoni. It has less unhealthy calories and fats. This has become one of our favorite go-to recipes. It's super easy. You don't have to be a chef to master it. The whole family can get creative with it, and you probably already have all the ingredients.
The best way to make a taco.
This is actually really, really good. Wow.
You will not regret making this.
You should taste it. Let me taste the taco. This is probably my favorite. So amazing, mashallah.
Amazing. You should make this all the time.
It's ready in minutes, and there's no excuse why you shouldn't do it.
If you decide to make this recipe, make sure to tag us on Instagram. Let us know what you would like us to make in the next video.
Enlightenment board. If you are worried about the tortilla, there are many healthy grain-free tortillas that are super healthy. You could also find some made with cassava or almond flour.
These wraps are made with the best ingredients, so you can enjoy them guilt-free.
Make sure to check out our last video, delicious popcorn onion rings.